Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a student discount on Spotify, follow these step-by-step instructions to get premium at a reduced rate. Step 1. Visit spotify.com student in your web browser to access the student discount program page. Step 2. Click Get Started or Sign Up to begin the student verification process. Step 3. Log into your existing Spotify account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Step 4. Spotify will redirect you to ShareID, a third-party verification service used to confirm your student status. Step 5. Enter your information including your full name, date of birth, and the name of the educational institution you're attending. Step 6. Provide your university or college email address ending in .edu or upload documentation proving your enrollment status. Step 7. Wait for verification, which typically takes just a few seconds. ShareID will confirm your eligibility for the student discount. Step 8. Once verified, complete your Spotify Premium student subscription by entering your payment information. You'll be charged the discounted student rate, which is typically 50% off the regular premium price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.